Hey, I'm Evan. Today we're going to show you how to make espresso-style beverages with a Pipamoka. There are several different ways to make coffee with the Pipamoka, including espresso-style beverages. Today we will show you how to make a delicious cappuccino, latte, or mocha with your Pipamoka. The first step is to remove the lid and take out the funnel, brush, and scoop. Next, take out the filter basket and remove the lid from the filter basket. Position the funnel on top of the filter basket. Add 2 scoops of ground coffee into the filter basket. The coffee should be a medium fine grind and should measure around 16 grams. Place the lid back onto the filter basket. Next, fill the water chamber with hot boiling water to the lowest line. The lowest line is the best measurement you'll want to use each time you make espresso-style coffee in your Pipamoka. Drop the filter basket into the water chamber. Allow it to sink all the way to the bottom. After about 30 seconds, tap the outside of the mug to ensure the filter basket is at the bottom and all the air bubbles are out of the brew. Begin turning the control ring on the water chamber. This will draw water up through the filter basket to extract your coffee. Make sure you twist the control ring slow and methodically. Keep unscrewing the water chamber until it has reached the top of the mug. To make a cappuccino or latte, add frothed milk to your Pipamoka. To make a mocha, add powdered chocolate, stir, and then top with frothed milk and extra mocha powder. Replace the lid and enjoy your hot coffee drink for hours.